Yes, yes, yes. Look at that, look at that, look at that, fellas. We are back in action. This is my Note 20 Ultra, and I know a little bit about phones. In fact, I know a lot about phones. I repaired them too. And I know for a fact that my phone, the digitizer, was broken, and I just didn't need a glass replacement. I needed a brand new digitizer. And that calls for a straight phone replacement. So I tried to be slick, and I wasn't trying to be slick. I actually got blessed. I used Verizon's insurance for a screen replacement and had a tech come out to replace my screen. And I just knew he was going to say, sir, you need a digitizer. You're going to have to get a phone replacement. And this phone being $1,800 new, my deductible was $250. So needless to say, I wasn't too happy about that, and the glass replacement was $29. So anyway, like I said, I called for a glass replacement. The guy came out. I knew he was going to give me the bad news, but he didn't. He actually said he was going to go ahead and fix it, which he did. And he replaced the glass and the digitizer. In fact, he replaced the entire phone with a new phone because I had even broken the back glass on this phone, and I had a skin on it where you couldn't see it. But that definitely called for an entire phone replacement. Anyway, God blessed me and looked out for me. I got a brand new Note 20 Ultra for 29 bucks, and I'm very appreciative. Thank you, God. I surely needed that right now. And yeah. Anyway, so that's that. And yeah, if you're a phone guy, I prefer the Note 20 Ultras over the S21 Ultras. This phone is a year old, but it's still at the top of the food chain. And I prefer the Note series because they have the S Pen. Now I know what you're saying. Yeah, the S21s, you can get an S Pen for those too. Yes, you can, but it's a difference. It's not a Bluetooth S Pen. This has a Bluetooth S Pen, meaning you can use remote features, meaning I can stream stuff to the TV, and I can use my S Pen to remotely change, fast forward, do all that kind of stuff, and even use the remote shutter feature. You can use the S Pen as a Bluetooth remote when you're taking pictures, so you can set your phone over there and push the button on your S Pen and take pictures and all that. So yes, I do prefer the Notes over the S21 Ultras. All right, let's get on back to this e-bike stuff.